Hi, this is Tony and welcome back. I'm going to talk to you today about the linear keypad. It's an all-metal housing commercial keypad. This is the AK11. We're also going to talk to you about the AKR1, which is essentially the same keypad, but it has a receiver on it, so you can use linear remotes to transmit to that receiver. Both these keypads are hardwired to the gate opener, and they both have 2 channels. They have party modes. You can lock them out. There's lots of things you can do with this keypad that commercial people need. All metal housing, stainless steel front, metal keys, and a very durable mounting plate. Remember, it is hardwired, but it's great for a lot of settings. And if you have any other questions, definitely give us a call. We do have tech support from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., 7 days a week. This is Tony with Gate Crafters. Thanks.